Actually, we are in the MCL Marina yacht ground here in Split, Croatia, and you can see a lot of interesting things. We are here for our yacht refit 2021. We are painting our boat, which is somewhere over there, a couple of boats away. But you can, as I said, find some interesting things here, like for example this Cruiser 40S, which is a sailboat. And I don't know what they did with this boat, but you can see here big damage on the rudder, which is a foamed rudder with fiberglass and some, I think, metal reinforcement on the front. I think they hit the ground. So this is one of the problems they have on this boat, which will be repaired. But what I found very interesting, and maybe you can have some suggestions for us, what they did in the front. They crashed with the boat, I think, somewhere in the front. But then I see they make a GRP repair and also something with foam and screws. Very, very weird repair. On the side of the boat you can see a lot of scratches, damages, and also here there are holes in the hull. So I think they have been laying here on the rocky ground somewhere, and waves moved the boat, causing this damage. But this is not the weird thing. I think this is, this happens once in a while and you have to repair it. And if a professional team will make it, I think it's not an object. But here, this thing in the front, as I said, it's GRP repair already. This you don't do if you don't have time. This looks like a quick fix to stop water coming to the boat, but you see it's also foamed and it's with metal screws screwed through the hull. So very, very weird. But I think as these guys here are really professional, they will rebuild it and it will look like new after a couple of weeks. So let me hear your thoughts about this quick and dirty repair.